going on, YouTubers? I'm here going over just to show you what do you need to do if you need motor mounts. You just drill your holes for your motor mounts, and then whether if you're doing a 1-inch setback or a half-inch setback, you figure out on that, decide on how far you need the engine to go forward or up. And then for the 350 motor mounts, as you can see on the LM7 engine, this where the AC would have went, it was in the way of the mount, so I had to cut it out for it to, sit flushly against the block. So I don't have nothing in the way of the mount anymore for that. Then driver's side, it's pretty much I didn't have to cut nothing. I do see something for the ground back there. I do see that. That's the ground. That's the bolt for it. So I'm probably gonna have to reinstall that before anything else, before I put this mount fully in. Other than that, that's all I see as far as the driver's side. Same thing, as you can see. Same thing. That's the original hole right there. I just drilled my hole next to it, and then measured and drilled my hole at the top. There you go. These are 350 clamshells that went to my 5.7 that I took out the Caprice. It's 89, so it really much don't matter. You can make them work. And that's the other side. I'm not using